Hi, my name is Rosa and I'm the owner of West Coast Sweat. And guess what? I'm here to invite you to our open house, which means free classes. Free classes for the weekend of January 7th and 8th. That will be at our South Bay studio located in Hermosa Beach. So why are we doing this? Because I have to tell you, quite frankly, wellness is more important now than ever. So it's not, there's so many mixed signals coming at us, so many definitions of this, that, and really, like me, what most of us want is to look and feel better and healthier and sleep better, have more connection with people, feel stronger, and those are the things that we teach here at our studio. So for those weekends, we're gonna offer every class that we have on the schedule. You're gonna get to meet all of our teachers and really come and experience the power and healing practice of original hot yoga and more. And you can discover the power within you, and you can tune in and see how this can be helpful to you. So what do you have to do? All you have to do is pre-register, book your class. When you do that, we're gonna send you a great little downloadable that's gonna help you prepare for your first class, because I get it. We've all had a first class before. We want you to be successful, and you can do this. Here's the great news. You don't have to show up to yoga or Pilates looking like you've been doing it for the last year or knowing what you have to do. It's a super beginning practice, but it could take a lifetime to master. The moves are all doable and therapeutic, and they have an intense, amazing impact on your life. Come join us, yes? Book your class, get your downloadable on how to prepare, and just show up. Showing up is the hardest part, but you will find through your hard work, your grit, that's when a little magic comes in and transformation. So see you on your mat.